Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. If you were around for my last video, I showed you how to use some painter's tape to change the way your air filter works on your mower. Now, this mower had some hard starting issues. It really did. And those started when I ordered some new air filters online from Amazon. I don't want to blame Amazon, it's just where they got the filters from. It's their vendor. So now, I have one of the new filters here, and what I did was I grabbed some fish tank foam filter material. So this is for fishes, for pets, right? Pet store stuff. I cut it to the size of the paper element of the filter. Now, this is a little oversized and could be trimmed just a little bit better, okay? Just like that, and already that's blowing away. Now, just want to make sure that that's just right. It always seems when I cut it, it's never quite perfect. Okay, so that is roughly the size of that filter element. I'm going to put that right over top of that. Now, this is the air filter door. It turns out that the filter sits in the door with the element facing outward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fish foam filter and I'm going to sandwich it into the door there just like so. Okay? And what that gives me is an air opening where it goes through the fish filter first, fish foam filter first, and then goes through the paper element into the motor. Now, all I got to do is put it together. All I got to do is put it together. So we're going to put that in there like that. I'm going to make sure that the foam does not push the filter out of place. There we go. Make sure that that sits in there correctly. Make sure the screw goes in right. Now, what's that doing? It's giving the engine a little bit of a choke that it may not have had when I swapped out the air filter with a new brand from Amazon. So this air filter may have been the original air filter from this engine. This is a Briggs & Stratton engine. So the air filter might have been 10 years old and clogged. And that's no good. And it was running up until a giant beaver dam of grass got in there and caused the engine to stop running. So we changed the filters, we changed the spark plug. I even poured some sea foam into the motor to get it to clean out its carburetor, which is a great trick. Let's see how she works right now.